Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a single series episode of movie cover reviews, and this one is deep. Today, the title of the movie cover that we're reviewing is called Asepamo. Once again, that title is called Asepamo. What does that mean? It means something you did and you think nobody would ever know it happened. However, it finally gets known. It's a story about Abike, who has been married for some years, but no child. And everyone knows how it is when there is marriage and no children, especially in some certain part of the world. So, what happened in this movie? Abike had no choice. She consulted a native spiritualist. And what happened? That native spiritualist who revealed the message that she was gonna have a baby boy of her own. So, no children after wedding. She waited some years. Nothing happened. She consulted a native spiritualist. He revealed the message that she would have a boy of her own. So I guess after giving that information, maybe she was told to do something. I don't know. I never saw the movie. I'm just going by the review on the movie cover, which is what we're doing today. So, they told her she was going to have a baby boy. But they also warned her not to allow the baby to have a child of his own when he grows up. That's kind of scary and powerful, though. I wish we could have that movie and watch and see what happened. Has anyone seen the movie? Have you seen the movie? Please let us know what happened in the movie. That would be awesome if we can know. So, that's a short review of the movie called Asepamo. And the lesson learned from this movie is forget it. There's nothing you can do in this world that can be hidden for life. If you think you have a secret, one day that secret will be exposed. So there are a lot of lessons watching these movies. Life lessons, cultural lessons. And the good thing is, even if we don't have a copy of the movie that was done many years ago, we can still learn from the reviews. But if there is anyone out there that has watched this movie titled Asepamo, please let us know what happened, what you enjoyed about the movie. Even looking at the movie cover, I'm not able to tell what year it was released. But like I said, we have a movie cover that we can depend on and see the actors back then. Look at the title, look at the review. And what I'm looking at this movie was for 3 hours, 20 minutes. It must have been so awesome. Alright, novels of Yoruba movies. Help us out here. Tell us what happened if you watched the movie. Let's know what happened. Let's bring old movies back alive. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye for now.